everyone. Today we've got something fun-ish for you.
I mean, sure it's fun, but really this is really serious, important stuff. Because imagine a post-apocalyptic world where pots and pans and kitchen utensils, they've all disappeared.
Vanished off the face of the earth.
And all we're left is with car parts and tools, and you gotta figure out how to cook with them.
So today we're gonna prepare, I think, some roast chicken over a bed of root vegetables. We're gonna have some mashed potatoes and a side salad to go along. You know, gotta have your greens. And maybe we're gonna finish off with something kind of sweet.
Look, this post-apocalyptic scenario, extremely plausible. I know that's what you're thinking, but don't worry, we got you covered. Let's get to it.
Yeah, let's do it. Alright, so here we are. We're on a 2010, I think it is, Subaru Forester. We're looking for the oil pan.
Here, let me show you. Look at all these I have to take off, but this is gonna be a prime cooking pan right here. We gotta get ourselves a valve cover to act as our cake pan.
We are in a 1997
Dodge Ram van.
Dodge Ram van. Ooh!
Look at that.
Eureka!
It's so greasy. Foaming degreaser, getting it done though. I have to get this gasket off. I'm scraping it with this little razor here. And then I gotta take this rubber plug out. This is what the junkyard does. They pop a hole into the pan and then fill it with a plug. So I have to take that out and then weld the hole.
It's fine. This whole thing is gonna be so edible. You watch. That's perfect. Thank you.
Peeling potatoes with an angle grinder.
Oh yeah.
Look at all this potato in here. That's, you know, it's not great, but... And also, I feel like I'm inhaling, like, potato whatever. Potato fumes?
Hey.
Alright, here goes nothing.
That's it. So here's our hubcap salad bowl. Okay, this is a pair of vice grips. I think we can toss the salad with this. Sure.
But hey, that doesn't look too bad, huh?
No, it doesn't. All right, so we've successfully mixed the cake mix. Now it is time to put it in our cake pan. So, here's our dessert.
Alright, we're gonna use a sledgehammer. Oh boy.
So we're out here. We're about to carve the chicken. What are you using, David?
I'm using Sawzall. Oh god, I gotta slow that down. We got ourselves a chicken!
Nice, nice. Okay, put some here. This is not the best serving fork. Making it work.
Oh wow.
Potatoes. Oh, there she is. Look at that.
Incredible. Oh, look at the juice on there. Okay, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
That. Get it with a little bit of potato there.
Okay. He's eating it.
Oh god, we're going for it.
He's eating it.
Oh god. Holy crap.
Is it good?
It's so good.
It's so good.
It's gross, but just because I don't like salad. We know what a carrot looks like, tastes like. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
It's separating. Yep, yep.
Oh, look at that. I'm telling you, that oil film. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Is that the whole thing?
No.
All right.
There's dessert. We did it.
Cooked the whole meal. We cooked chicken in a transmission oil pan. We cooked a cake in a valve cover. Served salad in a hubcap.
Mashed potatoes with a sledgehammer.
And we drained gravy from the oil pan using the drain plug. It was great.
I mean, it wasn't bad, all things considered.
And it tasted pretty good too. A little slimy.
Anyway, if you've watched this far, bless.
Seriously.
Thank you. And till next time.
Of course, we can't just have dinner with and dessert without a drink. So we've got our cup, a piston, and a pushrod as our straw. Let's pour ourselves a little drink. Get a little calcium.